Making money in the stock market now is easier than you think. Are you struggling to grow your stock portfolio? What if you could know exactly which stock should be traded and exactly when it's the safest time to buy it? You just need to keep three things in mind and take note of these. First, use a financial modeling method called DCF, discounted cash flow, along with one simple technical indicator, the Trendline. This combination has proven to work effectively, especially when you diversify your stock portfolio as much as possible to minimize risk. Let's call it the IMAAM strategy. Here's the proof. We're creating and editing this video today, November 9, 2025, and it'll probably go live just a few days from now. You can check out some of our previous trade recommendations featured in the videos we've published over the past few months. Here are a few of them. The video with the title Recursion Pharmaceuticals, Undervalued, Kathy Wood's Big Bet, and Why You Should Trade our RX stock, where you can find the link in the description. It was posted in May 30th, 2025, where we stated that the stock has no intrinsic value. Although if that's the case, it may be good for short-term trader, but it is not for a long-term position trader. Here's another one and my favorite video where it talks about INQ stock and recommends to hold, because during that time at the 3rd of January 2025, it was hitting the resistance line. So I hold and add this stock to my watch list. Then I personally bought this stock when the price was below $32, just somewhere near the support level, until it nearly hits the resistance level above $70, then I sold it. You hear that correctly. Yes, 218.75% return on investment in less than a year. But the least popular, with the video title VLO Stock Update Mind-Blowing Insights Revealed. We posted this video on April 19, 2025, just a few weeks after the stock had significantly dropped. So we knew this stock is on the support line and undervalued, so it's the right time to buy. But most people unfortunately didn't know. Do those seem like enough proof that our workflow really works? If you think so, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. The more support we get, the faster our recommended stocks can reach their projected targets. If you're still curious, feel free to explore more of our videos on the channel page. So if you want to discover as many stocks as possible that are truly worth buying, like VLO when it's undervalued and sitting right on the support line, head over to www.im-aam.com. Because honestly, our YouTube videos mostly feature popular stocks that don't always meet those two key conditions. They're interesting, but not necessarily the ones that will help you grow your portfolio effectively. We'll break down for you how easily the IMAAM strategy are. First, you determine the stock's true value using discounted cash flow DCF to see if it's undervalued. Then you wait for the price to drop near the support line, that sweet spot where the risk is low and the potential reward is massive. Then assess current price positioning. Ensure the current price is near the support line. Once the above conditions are met, you're ready to enter the position with confidence. Take profit at fair price. Of course, there's always risk. Nothing in the stock market is ever guaranteed. That's why diversification is key. Just like in any scientific method, a financial model relies on statistica, all data samples giving you roughly a 90% chance of being right. There's still that 10% margin where things might not go as planned. So if you spread your investments across 50 different stocks, chances are about 45 will perform well enough to cover the losses of the remaining 5, keeping your overall portfolio profitable. To build real wealth in stock market, you need to be fast and diversified. Find as many undervalued stocks as you can. Then buy them only when they hit the support line and sell when they reach the resistance line. We know you're busy and don't have hours to spend researching stocks. That's why our software does the heavy lifting for you with just a few clicks. You can instantly find stocks that match the IMAAM strategy. That two-part system has been scientifically proven worked, and it is exactly what we do every day at im-aam.com. We find stocks that are fundamentally undervalued and identify the optimal technical entry point, all in real time, enabling you to research within seconds, quickly spot undervalued stocks, diversify your portfolio, and invest at the perfect moment. Look at our data right here. We use indicators like PE, beta, market cap, and even our own internal discounted cash flow models to generate a list of high-potential stocks. Notice how some of the most detailed analysis and the stock ticker itself are behind a small feed, labeled as cost of information. But that's where the most valuable insights live. It's what separates a serious investor from a casual one. For instance, this stock, a risky small cap in the financial services sector, is currently flagged as a buy recommendation based on our analysis. And it's not just about when to buy, it's about knowing your exit strategy. Scroll through our Position Trader tool. Alongside the current price and lot size, we provide a target selling price and a calculated target profit percentage. Imagine knowing your potential return before you even place the trade. We do the heavy lifting. Now, for the best part, you don't have to pay to get started. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, we will regularly release free, in-depth analysis on a bunch of stocks you are interested in and we've identified that are undervalued by DCF and close to their support line. You can hear about the analysis for free on stocks you are already interested in. So, are you ready to elevate your trading with professional, data-driven insights? Subscribe right now. And for instant access to the full, curated list of undervalued stocks and our complete set of proprietary tools, head over to www.in-imaam.com and start your free trial today.